So now till here we have completed lesson 8. Now moving towards lesson number 9. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial you have learned only about the loops, okay, and then you have to build your logic. To save your time, in the description you can use the chapters. How to use chapters? Chapters will help you to make your life easy. If you want to learn a specific skill, just you need to click on that. Okay, so okay, let's go to the lesson number 9. Click here. So here is it. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, now you are going to learn about the CS fundamental, the collector. Okay, now you can watch this video, and after that you will move towards the lesson 9 loops with Laurel. Okay, now continue. You can download this video. So now let's play this. Oh, this is very interesting part. Okay, lesson number 9 loops with Laurel. Okay, now free play. This is a Laurel, an adventurer. Move her around and get as much treasure as you can. This is the treasure. Okay, now you need to build your logic so that you can move forward and get the treasure. Drag blocks into the workspace and try to figure out how to get treasure. Get at least one item to pass this level. Okay, fine. You can even use the hint as well. Okay, now here is goal is to get only one. I want to pick all. Okay, I will build my logic like that so that I can get all the. Okay, how to build a logic? First of all, move forward. Let's say move forward 2 steps. Okay, 1 2. Okay, now move forward 2 steps, then get this one, get destroyer. Let's use this. Level completed. You can click on finish to move towards the next level. I'm going to reset the environment. Now I have to use the repeat block because I want to repeat this instruction 2 times. So I will use what? I will put repeat block here and select number of steps to move. 2 steps. Okay, 2 steps move forward. So there is no limit here. So it will move 2 steps forward. Then it will do what? Get this one. I can even use this, move forward 2 steps and then get this one. So it will do what? Move forward 2 steps towards east, then get this, then move forward 2 steps to get this. So I have to get how many? 3. It will repeat these instructions 3 times. So run. Move forward 2 steps, get this, move forward 2 steps. That's it. That's how you can use this. So you collected all 3 items. Congratulations. Move towards next level. So now get all 3 piles. Okay, move Laurel to each piece of treasure, then use the get block. Okay, now first you need to move forward how many steps? First step. Okay, now take first step, then do what? Put repeat block, move forward, get the treasure. Move forward, get the treasure. Move forward, get the treasure. Okay, this one. Now try this. Okay, now you collected all 3 items. Click on continue. Now collector repeat loops. You can watch this video. You can even download by clicking here. I am going to click on continue. So now here it is. How can Laurel get all 5 piles of treasure using only 1 each block? Okay, now here is the challenge. We have to use only 1 block, each block, to get all this. So now how? So it will move forward towards east. Now we cannot use this again and again. So I have used all my chances here. So I can move only 1 time. So 1 time, how many times we need to move forward? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Fine. Then get this one. After moving first step, then get the treasure. First step, get the treasure. So now reset. Excellent. Now congratulations, you collected all the 5 items. Click on continue. This is lesson number 9 loops with Laurel, lesson 6. Okay, level number 6. Now move forward how many steps? Okay, fix Laurel part to get all this treasure. Okay, now we need to fix this. Move forward how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I will run this? First I will run and check where is the error. Yeah, the error is over here. It's moving forward 5 steps. 5 steps. So click here, change this to 4. Now reset. Move forward 4 steps, get the trigger. Now move 1 steps downward and get the trigger. So we have to add 2 more blocks here. So I will do what? I will use this south block downward. Outside the loop I will add 1 more block. Now and then get, after moving towards the south downward, get the trigger. So reset and run. That's it. You will complete the level. Click on finish or just click on continue. Now use what you learned to get all the trigger. Okay, now you have to use only 6 blocks. That's the limit. Move forward 4 steps and get the, this is just like the same strategy we have used in our previous level number 6. So now add repeat block, just change the direction towards west, count number of steps 1, 2, 3 and 4. Move forward, logic is here, algorithm is here. Okay, we need to move forward 1 step and get the trigger. I have moved towards left side 1 step and now get the trigger. That's it. And you need to repeat these steps again and again. Move forward towards west, get the trigger, then run. That's it. Now goal is to collect the 5 triggers. So move 1 step downward. So south, it's mentioned here 1. Now get the trigger. Look here, I have used all 6 blocks. Now reset and run. Okay, now move towards the next level. Add blocks to this code to get all the trigger. Level lesson 9 or 8. Level number 8. Okay, ji, we have successfully completed course A till level number 9 part. Look here, we have completed all these levels. We have done citizenship of course A, we have done sequencing, we have done loops. We have done till loops with Laurel, level number 7. Now moving towards lesson number 8. So let's click here. And after that, okay, now what we have here, lesson number 8, loops with Laurel. Instructions are important. First we need to read the instruction. Add blocks to this code to get all the trigger. Okay, fine. So here is our outcome. Here is the preview. Okay, now we need to get all the triggers. So they have already mentioned 1 loop over here. It means this loop will help us repeat this time 4 times. It will move towards the west side, left hand side, and then get the trigger. 1 step left and then get the trigger. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this step will help you to debug the code. So let me click on step. Debug means fixing the error, okay, or finding error. Look here, can you see this? This is now highlighted. This outer line is now highlighted in yellow color. So it shows that this code will run only this instruction, and now is waiting for my next instruction. So I'm going to create event by clicking a mouse here. Just click on step, this button. Now we are over here. Okay, now again step, again left side, move towards the west side, then again get, again now click west. Now again take next step. Now next, get the trigger. Now so far everything is fine. Okay, now we are outside the loop, outside this loop. Now we are here moving towards the south side. Again get the trigger, and now here is the error. Keep coding. You need to collect at least 7 items. So here is 7 items. Our goal is to collect the 7 triggers, diamonds, whatever it is. Okay, trigger. So I have collected 5 times. So where is the error? So error is over here. I need to collect this so many times? 3 times. Okay, now I'm going to use this over here, put this over here, and now drag, put this repeat block over here. Okay, now we need to go down how many times? 1 2 3 times. So collect, move downward 3 times. Downward mean move towards south and get the trigger. That's it. Workspace is now full. Now we have utilized all the workspace. Now click on run. Good. That's how you can complete the level. Congratulations, you have collected all 7